So we've gone ahead and we've attached our SenseHat to a Raspberry Pi, and you can see the Raspberry Pi sitting there on the on my cabinet there, with a bunch of wires coming out of it. Those are the various ports connected up to a monitor, which you can't see right now, and but I can see what's going on there. I use Putty, which is a program that allows me to connect remotely to this Raspberry Pi, and I can run some actions. So from this machine here, which is a Windows machine, I connect it to my Raspberry Pi, and I'm going to run some code. And what we have here is we have something that's just going to do something very simple. We're going to use the LED monitor. And the nice thing about the code here, and you'll see with all the code with the SenseHat, is that it's very user-friendly. That's because it was designed for elementary school kids to be able to use it. So we're going to do our imports. So from the SenseHat library, we're going to import the SenseHat class, and then we're going to instantiate our class, and then do sense.showMessage, and we're going to print out the word hello world. And that'll show up on the LED screen below. So let's go ahead and run it. Just going to cheat a little. Just run our Python. Lab 1, and what you'll see is the hello world light up in the lower right hand corner of our Raspberry Pi 4, and we can go ahead and we can run it again, and it'll show it again, and you can keep displaying it. So that means we can take anything and print out messages to the LED screen, or we can even use the LED screen to maybe write a video game like Snakes and stuff like that. So there's a lot we can do with that one LED screen. And we're going to go through and we're going to use this throughout our labs to display information to make sure that our SenseHat is actually working and reporting back the information that we expect.